Hello, I hope you're doing great. This is Michael T. Delaire from Cybercare Academy, your go-to authority on cybersecurity. In this episode, I'm talking to you about 5 tips to secure your home devices. Our homes are equipped with many connected devices that makes our daily lives easier, but also can be potential targets for cyber criminals. It is therefore essential to take steps to secure these devices and protect our personal information. Here are 5 practical tips to secure your home devices. Use strong and unique passwords. Why is this important? Passwords are the first line of defense against unauthorized access. Weak and reused passwords can easily be guessed or hacked. How to do it? Create complex passwords. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters whenever it's possible. Do not reuse passwords. Each account and device should have a unique password. Use a password manager. These tools can generate and store secure passwords for you so you don't have to memorize them. Enable two-factor authentication, the 2FA. Why it's important? Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification in addition to your password. How to do it? Enable 2FA on your account. Use authentication apps or receive code via SMS. Prefer authentication apps. They are generally more secure than SMS. Regularly update your software. Why it's important? Software updates often fix security vulnerabilities that cybercriminals can exploit. How to do it? Enable automatic updates for your operating system's applications and connected devices. Check for updates manually. If automatic updates are not available, regularly check for updates. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Why it's important? Your Wi-Fi network is the gateway to all of your connected devices. If it is compromised, all your devices can be at risk. How to do it? First of all, change the default name SSID and password. Use a strong password for your Wi-Fi network. The SSID is what appears when you look to connect your wireless network. Enable WPA3 encryption. If available, WPA3 offers enhanced security over previous versions. Use a guest network. For visitors, create a separate Wi-Fi network to protect your main devices. Most internet provider routers now offer these options. And finally, be cautious with downloads and links. Why it's important? Malware can spread through infected downloads and links, compromising the security of your devices. How to do it? Download only from trusted sources. Avoid unsecured or suspicious websites. Don't click on links in suspicious emails or messages. Verify the sender's authenticity before clicking. Use antivirus software. Good antivirus software can detect and block threats before they cause damage. By applying these simple yet effective tips, you can significantly enhance the security of your home devices and protect your family against online threats. To learn more about cybersecurity and receive comprehensive training, join the Cybercare Knights and become a proactive defender of your digital home. It's your turn! Follow us and become part of the Cybercare Knights. Subscribe and get our free ebook. You will find the link in the description of this episode. This was Michael T. Delaire from Cybercare Academy. Farewell.